Now students, I entered into the next program where I show you how it is possible that I can design the table. So it is not an important program, but as a fresher you must know this type of programs. So now you see how can you design table. Now I write here that is a find table.java. I just want to write a table program. How it is possible? I'm just taking the input from the keyboard, import java.util. That is scanner. Because anybody can ask you the questions that any table you can just display. That is not key. That is a simple. That is that is word. You can. They ask you the questions. Please tell me that is a table of that is 21, 22. In this way, they can ask you the question. So what you can do at that moment, so it make you dynamic. Enter the number from the keyboard. Then you can just display the table of 21, table of 22. In this way, you can display. Now check here. That is public class name is the table. Here you see what I can do. Public find static void main. Here you see string args. I just enter into the main. What's my next job is scanner ss is equal to new scanner. What's I pass system dot in. This line I use. What's I write here system data out data println. I just pass here. That is enter. Here you see enter the number. That is enter the number. That is you want to design or you want to draw the table of which number you have to enter. That is a find enter num is equal to access dot that is a 19. I pass it. Now anyway I can find out. Now here you see system dot out dot println. That is here you see display table of. You just write display the table of that is a num. Now display the table of num. Here you see. I just show you how it is possible. Now in this way you just do one thing. There are two line breaks you can use. Then it is look attractive. Here I use two line break. Println means another line break is there. The three after the displaying that display table of if I pass here 9. Display the table of 9, then there are three line breaks are there because two line breaks I here use and println is another line break. Very simple for that is enter I is equal to 1. That is I less than equal 10 here and pass I plus plus. Because you know that when you are using any table or displaying any table, it starts from 1 and it move up toward 10. What I can do here, enter result is equal to set. Result is equal to that is a num into value of I. Just pass. What you did here, system data out data print. Here you just write system out of print line. Check here. What I can pass that is a num plus. Here I pass num plus. What I can do here, that is a straight. Here you just write. That is plus I. I'm just using here. That is num into I. That is anyway plus. I just write is equal to. That is plus result. Here you just write that is anyway end of the for loop, end of the main, end of the class. Very simple because every table starts from 1 and continues up to 10. So I start the loop from 1 less than equal 10 means 1 to 10 it will continue. When it is 1 num value if it is 9, 9 into 1 that is 9 1 ja 9 result is 9. System output num 9 into I value is 1 that is equal to 9. 9 1 ja 9. Then same way 9 2s are 18. 9 3s are 27. In this way, it will work up to that is what 10. Now it starts from 1, continues up to 10. Check here. What I can do? I just compile the code, say here Java C. Now what I can do here, sorry, here I just make a mistake, spelling mistake is there, sorry. Here what you can do, that is system out, that is sorry, N is not available, check here, compile the code, I just write Java demo. Here you see, I just enter 9, check here, 9 1 to 9, any you can pass here 20, that is 9, check. That is the way it can, that is what find out the result. So simple, I just show you how the task is possible and how can you design this table. So that's all about a simple program, how you design a table.